Y'all, my orders finally freaking came in, so let's unbox them together. Luckily, I did open them to make sure everything was in here because Ulta, you messed up, dude. Let's start off with the small stuff and get these three out of the way. Okay, in package number 1, I have the ABH Brow Freeze. This was on sale and I really wanted to try it, so should I do a video on it? And is it as good as everybody says it is? Package number 2, we have a Fenty lipstick, and this is in Mother Lova, and this is the refills. So let's go ahead and open the Sephora one real quick. Okay, in this box, I actually got the case. This is the limited edition holiday berry edition one, and it's like this purple pinky kind of a color. Hold on. Okay, so you can see it says Fenty. You just twist this and you pull out, and I put the lipstick in it already, and you have your lipstick, so that's really cool. Both these were supposed to be from Ulta, and Ulta forgot both of them in the order, so this had to be reshipped, and this I had to get from Sephora because they were completely sold out after. Back to Ulta, and God, this one's dirty. Okay, let's see. This one is packaged kind of interesting. Okay, so we got the e.l.f. Halo Glow Filter. You guys have been raving about this, so I have to try it. I need to know if it's worth it. I got a couple foundations to try. This is the L'Oreal True Match and the Essence Keep Me Covered, as well as the e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation. This one looked really cool and I liked the bottle of it. So I just needed to try it, and I needed some new foundation. I also got this Lottie Freckle Tint. I thought this would be really cool because fake freckles are like all the rage. I mean, I have real ones, but I wanted to be, part of the cool kids. And then this Lottie Super Fake Mascara. I thought this sounded really interesting. Like, is this supposed to give me the look of falsies? Super fake. That's kind of what I think. My hubby and I are obsessed with candles, and this one is Caramel Cookie. It was from the holidays, so I got it on clearance. It smells so good. It literally smells like a caramel cookie. Their candles are really good. They last forever, and they smell so incredible the whole time. Go to part 2 to see the rest.